Hey food lovers, welcome back. If you're all about crispy fries, juicy fried chicken, or perfect tempura, then today's video is just for you. We're talking about the best deep fryers of 2024, bringing restaurant-quality frying straight to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just for yourself, we've got the top fryers lined up to help you achieve that perfect crunch. Let's get into it. The Vexon 1800-watt electric deep fryer is a must-have for anyone who loves frying up a feast. With its massive 5-liter capacity, that's 21 cups, you can fry large batches of your favorite foods, making it perfect for family dinners or parties. It comes with 3 frying baskets, so you can cook multiple items at once, from crispy fries to golden brown chicken wings. The adjustable temperature control lets you customize the heat for each recipe, ensuring everything comes out just right. Plus, the view window lid means you can keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. Its stainless steel body not only looks sleek on your countertop, but also ensures durability for long-term use. Whether you're a beginner or a frying pro, the Vexon deep fryer will deliver restaurant-quality results every time. The Eficentline 1700-watt electric deep fryer is another fantastic contender for home frying enthusiasts. With a 5-liter capacity, 20 cups, it's perfect for frying large portions of your favorite foods like chicken, fish, and chips. This fryer comes with 3 frying baskets, which makes it easy to fry different items at once without mixing flavors. The adjustable temperature control allows for precision frying, ensuring your food comes out golden and crispy every time. Just like the Vexon, it features a view window on the lid so you can keep an eye on your food while it fries without losing heat. Made with a durable stainless steel body, this fryer is built to last and is easy to clean. As a bonus, the fryer comes with 100 pieces of 8-inch fryer paper to help keep your oil cleaner for longer and prevent sticking. Whether you're frying up snacks for game day or making a family dinner, the Eficentline deep fryer makes it simple and efficient. The Amazon Basics 2-liter electric deep fryer is the perfect compact option for those looking to fry up to 6 cups of food without taking up too much counter space. With its 1500-watt power, it heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring crispy, golden results every time. The mesh metal fry basket comes with handy hooks for easy draining and food removal, cutting down on mess. This fryer is all about convenience, featuring a built-in timer and custom temperature adjustment dial to give you total control over your cooking. Plus, with the transparent viewing window, you can monitor your food as it fries, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to avoid overcooking. The sleek black exterior fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup, making this deep fryer a practical and stylish choice for your everyday frying needs. The DeLonghi Livenza deep fryer is an excellent option if you're looking to fry up large batches for family and friends. With its impressive 1-gallon oil capacity, it can handle plenty of food at once. One of its standout features is the cool zone that keeps food from burning, reduces odors, and helps maintain cleaner oil for better tasting results. You've got full control with the adjustable thermostat, ensuring your fries, chicken, or fish come out just the way you like them. The cool touch handles and removable basket make it super easy and safe to lift your food straight from the fryer to your plate. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the Easy Clean system, which lets you drain oil straight into a storage container without any mess. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts ensure minimal fuss after frying. The sleek stainless steel design is not just durable, but also adds a touch of class to any kitchen setup. The Masterbuilt 3-in-1 10-liter XL electric fryer, boiler, and steamer is a beast when it comes to versatility in the kitchen. With this single appliance, you can fry, steam, or boil anything from a 20-pound turkey to a delicious batch of steamed veggies or a crawfish boil, all in its massive 10.6-quart capacity. It's designed with health in mind, using 1.3 times less oil than traditional fryers, so you can enjoy your favorites without the guilt. Safety is key with its magnetic breakaway cord and drain clips for easy handling. Plus, the hinged lid, built-in drain valve, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and painless. This all-in-one kitchen appliance is a game changer for those who love cooking big but don't want to deal with multiple gadgets cluttering the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.